How do I cleanse and charge my crystals? Cleansing and charging crystals removes any negative or stagnant energy that they may have absorbed, and it restores their natural vibrations. These are some of my most effective methods that I choose and I love to use within my crystals. One is running water. Hold your crystal under natural running water, a stream or a tap for a few minutes. Now, not all crystals are water safe, so do get in touch with me if you'd like a free list of what crystals don't like to get wet. Two is smoke cleansing or smudging, where you pass your crystals with the smoke of sage or Palo Santo to clear any unwanted energy. I often find using a wicker basket can help, and open a window when you're doing it. Three is moonlight. Place your crystals under full moonlight overnight to cleanse and recharge them. Now, you don't have to put them outside to do this. You can put them on your window ledge. Four is sunlight. Leave your crystals in the morning sunlight for a few hours to recharge them, but please be cautious with this method because some stones like amethyst, rose quartz can fade in direct sunlight. And also, we don't want any accidental fires from the sun reflecting off your crystals. Number five, salt or salt water. You can bury crystals in dry sea salt or place them in some salt water for cleansing. Now, personally, this is not something I use often, but if you really want a deep cleanse of certain crystals, this can be a great source. However, certain metal containing crystals, selenite, pyrite, hematite, they do not want this method. Six is sound vibration. You can use a singing bowl or a tuning fork or chanting. And if you are Reiki trained, you can also use your Reiki energy. This will help to cleanse your crystals through sound or physical energy. Seven, burying them in the earth. Bury your crystals in soil for 24 hours, even up to a few days if you really want them to reconnect with Mother Nature's energy. And finally, number eight, selenite. Place your crystals on a selenite plate or on an amethyst cluster or a clear quartz that can help to cleanse and recharge them. Personally, I prefer the selenite method. To charge your methods and your crystals, you can use moonlight, sunlight, visualization, where you hold your crystal and imagine it being filled with pure light, or you can use crystal grids and arrange your crystals in a grid that can amplify their energy. Often we're asked how many times and how often should I cleanse my crystals? The frequency of cleansing crystals depends on how often you're using them and what their purpose is. If it's daily use, like jewelry or pocket stones, then cleanse them once a week. If it's occasional use, like every now and again, like a meditation, then cleanse it once a month. If, or potentially you've been using them for any crystal healing techniques, then make sure you charge and cleanse them immediately after using them. And new crystals, always cleanse new crystals before you first use them to remove any stored negative energy that they may have on them. If a crystal sometimes feels heavy or dull, or it just feels a bit lackluster, then it is a sign that it needs cleansing. So just trust your intuition. If you enjoyed this how-to, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss an episode. And if you're eager to take your learning further, I'd love to invite you to join my subscription. Simply follow the link in the show notes to join my vibrant community where we dive deeper into crystal healing techniques. This is through online guided tutorials where you have the opportunity to practice crystal healing in the comfort of your own home, and you'll receive ethically sourced crystals delivered straight to your front door every month. I'd be thrilled to have you join us, and I'd be thrilled to see you in our community. But until next time, love and light.